Infant twins severely injured, their parents arrested.
Tonight, new details in the heartbreaking case as those babies remain hospitalized. The father remains locked up. The mother has been released. Good afternoon. I'm Matt Malloy.
I'm Karen Edwards. New details emerging today. Brittany Spicer and Camron Douglas were arrested last week after an investigation into how their twin infants suffered life-threatening injuries. 13
Wham's Carly Miner spoke with the prosecutors handling the case.
Yeah, we're told the babies are still receiving treatment at Strong Memorial Hospital as the case against both defendants moves through the court system. 34-year-old Brittany Spicer appeared in Galen Town Court Wednesday on child endangerment charges in connection to serious injuries sustained by her twin babies.
It is tough when you are dealing with 6-week-old twin boys.
Police say Spicer and the children's father, 32-year-old Camron Douglas, were arrested last week following an investigation into suspected child abuse. It began after the twins, who were 6 weeks old at the time, were brought into the hospital on March 15th with serious, life-threatening injuries. Douglas, who is on parole, was charged with 2 counts of first-degree assault.
There is something that, of course, when you're reviewing the facts and circumstances can be really difficult, but it is my job and the office job to separate those things and make sure that really at the end of the day we seek justice for those victims and separate out the gruesome details.
According to court documents, it's alleged that sometime between February and March, Douglas recklessly caused several injuries to both infants that are described as non-accidental trauma. Police say those injuries include brain bleeds and broken bones. Court papers say one of the infants also suffered burns to his face and abdominal area. Spicer is accused of being aware of several incidents involving the twins being injured and failing to seek medical attention. According to the complaint, one incident happening the morning of March 15th. It's alleged she was aware one of the babies may have been actively seizing, but waited until 5 p.m. to seek medical care. The district attorney says cases like this are never easy.
It is something that is a level that is higher, I would say, than anything I've seen before, based on just the young age of the victims and the level of injury.
And Spicer's hearing was adjourned to next month. Douglas's case has been referred to a grand jury. Both have pleaded not guilty.